Guess who?
Andy.
Karen.
Yes.
No, just Karen.
Yes.
No, not Karen.
What?
Karen.
Yes.
No. Karen.
Huh? No. Not yet. We must do our duty.
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 You said duty. Duty.
Is it bad whenever I have to say like duty to my students? I go or do or your analysis
Or Pope.
or pope.
Do you say those things often in your college class?
I got to say your analysis today.
Really?
And this part has is where you put your analysis. He's just ahead. All right, what do you have for us tonight, Andy?
Well, since we're getting so many catalogs,
Oh yes, there's so many.
I figured.
Since we decided to say, screw the rainforest, let's sign ourselves up for more catalogs. Actually, does that have anything to do with the rainforest?
Oh. No, eating hamburgers does.
Oh.
It's true. Because they chop down the rainforest because they need grazing land for the cattle. So every time you eat a hamburger, you're killing the
delicious.
rainforest. You're not being helpful.
Sorry.
You're going to give me something out of this catalog.
Ooh, this is layman's or lemons? Lemons? Layman's? Layman's. Simple products for a simpler life.
All right.
And if anybody's simple, it's us.
He's going to get smart home.
Smart home.
All right, so.
You can get up to page 203. Oh, man.
72.
72. Ooh, ah, ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you may have another choice depending on what you choose.
2.
1, 2. 1, 2, or 3.
1.
You get the no sugar added rhubarb strawberry jam. What? For $5.49. You have found you found your way into the food pages and you hit sugar-free jam. Actually, not sugar-free. No sugar added jam. I'm sorry. You don't win tonight. You could have had all sorts of interesting things.
Well, don't tell me now. I might get them another night. Give me a page up to 46.
Ooh. Let's see. Wait. I gotta warm up my arms again. Let's go with page 8.
8.
Sure.
All right.
Nowhere near the food.
All right. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7.
1.
1. All right. Because this is surprise catalog. It's actually this one, the Budka catalog. And you are now the proud owner of a flashlight stun gun.
Oh boy! Illegal in 5 states.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 states.
8 states. Oh boy!
New York being one of them.
Oh.
Shocking 1 million volt flashlight stun gun. Protect your family today. Warning, adult use only. Wow, I love how they make it look like it's a lightsaber.
Yeah.
Lots of fun, crazy stuff in this
Oh,
catalog.
and I thought I was just going to get a security camera.
Well, let's see what you would have gotten from page 8 here.
Oh boy.
See if it's anything good.
Oh, I can't believe you.
Oh,
fooled
all right.
me.
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5.
Well, I did choose 1 the last time, so what would that have been?
1 would have been a cooling mist system for $49.99.
Oh, actually, that's not too bad, but I don't think I could use that.
The stun gun was $54.99.
I win.
You could
Don't worry, I'll share my stun gun with you.
I need a cooling system.
Cool. I'm sorry you got jam.
That's alright. Truman, set your flashlight to stun.
Yes, sir.
Richards, I do that a lot. Here, I don't normally do that in real life, but...
You do it a little.
Shut up.
Mostly not quite so much wrist action. It's the twisty wrist that you don't do. You show a bread box sometimes. Yeah, there you go. Okay, Andy, show me a bread box. There you go. Now show me a bread box that has like doorknobs on both sides. There you go. So let's see if this works. So because Tops Friendly Markets is incredibly more expensive than Wegmans, and we were desperate for a dessert, and so I had to go to Tops. Yeah, and it's Perry's, right?
Yes.
Perry's Panda Paws. The Perry's Chocolate Panda Paws was like twice as expensive as it is at Wegmans. And I was lured in by the Tops brand fake Panda Paws, which is called Moose Tracks. Apparently the same, I mean, it's chocolate ice cream with fudge waves. And in lieu of Panda Paws, it's little peanut butter cups. Sounds good.
Supposedly.
Supposedly, we've only gotten, what, 3?
Yeah.
3 cups. It's got tons of those fudge streaks.
Yeah.
The skid marks in it. Tons of those. But as we were going out to the kitchen to go get ourselves some, I called them Faux Paws.
Mm-hmm.
And you called them?
Moose knuckles.
So they're called Moose Tracks, but they're really the fake Panda Paws, so they're either Moose Knuckles
or Faux Paws.
Yeah.
And that is your ice cream witticism for today.
Yes. Which one do you prefer? Faux Paws or Moose Knuckles? I gotta get me a bowl of that chocolate Moose Knuckles.
I need a mouthful of Faux Paws.
Let us know, and then we'll relabel our ice cream and we'll write to Tops.
And we'll put a picture of it on here.
Oh yes.
Dip Tops. Did that sound funny with that?
Hey, neighbor? Hey, Andy.
Oh yeah, Karen.
Would you like to know what's in the bed?
No. Sure.
Okay. This one's.
Is there a preface to this? Or are you just
No,
gonna
we'll have
spring
to.
it on
We'll
us?
have to explain it as after it comes out. Okay, this takes some lifting. All that is coming on a journey. Oh, it's cold. This. Oh, wait. Where? Okay. Look. It's a whole thing.
That's next. Happy New Year. What's the binder clip doing in there?
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Is that mine? Mine was the cheap one.
No, you mean the one I gave you.
Hey.
A little harder. Duck face.
I got a binder clip again. How many binder clips are there?
Wait, I thought we were gonna duet.
Well, I was duetting, but you weren't.
Oh!
If this had water in it, it would be a bird whistle, but now it's just a bird whistle.
Ooh.
I have to remember gravity goes this way. We have like 8 kazoos in there?
Well, it's the
Or do you
same
just
one I
keep on saying,
had.
oh look!
Binder
A binder
clips
clip.
and a rubber band. The least fun instruments in the whole thing. Now,
Ladies and gentlemen, the Trojans! It's a rubber band.
oh,
Ooh.
finger cymbals. Did I get it all? Oh yeah, it's the rubber band. This is my my glove for the washboard. So these are all instruments for the 2-person, 1-man band, which is us. Tighten them up! Where's my shaker? Oh, where's the tiny cymbal? Here. Here. Oh, wait.
Breadbox.
Do your bread box.
We.
Wait. I just picture me laughing too hard. I go, ah ha ha.
You see, officer?
And that's what's in the bed.
What, dear? What's going on down there? Ooh, they got a parade going through there.
Pertmere was asleep. Then I heard the fun band.
Oh, she's watching Mike Douglas again.
Oh.
Would you like to hear an old joke?
Yes, I would. I know we have more books in this.
Tale
We
of
just
Two
gotta
Cities.
find them.
Yeah, they're packed away or something. The Bennett Surf, good for a laugh. Give me a letter of the alphabet.
C.
1 or 2?
1.
Oh,
Remember the
alright.
night 2.
No. C is for Children's Hour.
Oh. That's alright.
Alright, I'll read this one. It doesn't
Okay,
seem to have
'cause
any
it's short.
names of old people in it.
Okay.
2 intrepid explorers met in the heart of the Brazilian jungle. "I'm here," declared one, "to commune with nature in the raw, to contemplate the eternal verities and to widen my horizons. And you, sir?" "I," sighed the second explorer, "came because my young daughter has begun piano lessons."
Ah.
Wah, wah,
Wah,
wah,
wah.
Oh, if only we had something with which to do that.
Thank you for that old joke.
You're welcome. And now I think it's time to go to sleep.
I think it is.
All
I'm
right.
poked.
It's been fun.
Thanks.
Do it again tomorrow.
Yes. Ah.
Flannel can sometimes be abrasive.
Oh dear. I think it's your face.
My
Your
face.
face?
My face. Faces abrasive. Another fine abrasive from the 3M company.